In this lesson, I want to show you how to create very simple load simulations in Autodesk Inventor. I'll also talk a little bit about the commands. First, let's create our cube. (200 by 400) fish sketch, extrude to 40. Now let's go to environment. Here, stress analysis. Now click create study. Click OK. Now click on the fix command. The create study command has created a new simulation for us, but so far it doesn't have any loads, it's just a simulation project. Now click on fix eddies. We'll fix one of the faces. During the calculation, it will stay in one place. But how does that work? Let's say you clamp it in a vise and press on the other end by hand. Okay. Let's enable force. Select this face here for direction like this one and flip it. 5 units of force will be our applied pressure. Okay. Now let's turn on mesh view and we can see how huge our triangles are. So let's click here, mesh settings. Here, set it to 0.02 and here to 0.1. Click OK. Now don't forget to specify the material here. There you go. But I like to set the color to steel. You can choose any other, but not water or wood. The calculation won't work with those. And let's click simulate, run. Here's what we can see. How our little box has bent. We can also play the animation. Oh! And see how it was bending. And here's where our force is applied. And here the pressure started to spread evenly. That's basically it. I've covered everything I wanted to talk about. Give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel. And goodbye to everyone.